right now I'm actually wearing like a dancer's leotard.
I love that.
It's like open
I think the
in the
dancer's
back.
leotard is such a beautiful thing. It's because what shows off your figure better? It's built and designed to do exactly that.
It's a good, it's a good casting outfit.
Is this a uniform?
I'm unbuttoned.
Is this a uniform?
It's a bit of my uniform. Don't mind me, I'm just buttoning my fly.
Who are your leotards of choice?
They're actually, I think that, oh geez, I don't even know.
Do you know where you bought that?
I've had it for years.
Really?
I honestly can't seem to button my...
So it's really good.
You know what?
Don't worry.
I'm just gonna, I have to start
Are they
from,
501s?
if you don't start from the bottom properly, then
That's
they won't
true.
button.
It's true.
So I'm just gonna,
I'm
I'm revealing myself on tape to button my pants.
That's the jeans are buying.
The jeans are redone denim.
They redo it.
Redone, yeah.
I mean,
think
but they
the
do redo it, don't they? Isn't that the point?
Tag is redone.
Yep. So is this recycled denim?
I think so.
That's the shtick?
I think they probably take like Levi's or
Yep.
Wagner,
Wrangler.
Wrangler,
Wagner. Wagner and
Wrangler, Levi's, and redo them.
Someone's
I think it's you. You
Yeah,
want
I
to
think
answer
it
it?
probably is. No, we're indisposed.
Okay.
And how much were the jeans?
I think these were 300,
They're expensive.
295.
Whoa, that's expensive for jeans.
They are expensive.
Worth it though, because that's.
But I really loved them. I really, really loved them. They were expensive when I saw the price, and I was like, I don't know if I want to spend that much money on jeans, but the way that they fit. And I find it really hard to find jeans that aren't stretchy these days. Like everything is super stretchy.
So these are old school.
Having like kind of this like structured tight denim
like it.
is really nice.
Old school. And
I
80s,
appreciate it.
right? You're an 80s girl. What about your boots?
My boots are Chanel.
Show them. That's expensive.
My boots are Chanel.
Do you spend a lot of money on clothes? Yes, you do.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
That means a lot.
They weren't cheap. They weren't cheap. They were not cheap, for sure.
It's fucking Chanel boots.
But I do appreciate spending money on the accessories. So, like, this leotard cost me nothing.
And it's the most beautiful thing you could ever wear.
And while my jeans are expensive, I do have plenty of, like, nothing, maybe $100 pair of jeans.
You appreciate
But I
clothes.
appreciate a good shoe and a good bag.
And what about your...
I'm wearing a backpack today because
Not
I went
the bag,
to yoga.
the coat.
Oh, my coat. My coat is Acne.
And let me show you.
It's a big...
Oh, this is so
Sturdy.
good for winter. Can this take you through winter?
It most certainly can. The only
It's a
downside...
sheepskin.
The only downside to this is that it doesn't have a hood. I wish it did.
Okay.
If it had a hood, it would be perfect for those windy days.
Yep.
But I pair it with a vest underneath that has a hood, and I'll just kind of layer.
Now, when you're...
This is like the classic models shearling.
Exactly.
Right? Like every model has like a black...
Is a standard issue? Yes, exactly. Of course it is.
black
Now,
boots. Really...
Do you have to do double duty because of your motorbike riding?
So
Is that-
I will ride with this jacket if it's still chilly. Because it's a good leather, thick...
Do you have leather
Feel.
bodysuits?
I have a racing suit, yeah.